Hi, welcome to Vidtechy. In this video, we are going to see one of the main features called the Channel Manager. Under the Channel Manager, we have three menus: Task Manager, Channel Planner, and Documents. Let's go with the Task Manager. Once you click the Task Manager, you can see your channel name. After you add your channel inside Vidtechy, it will create a project under your channel name. For example, it's created Vidtechy as a project name here. If you want to edit a project, you can click here and change the name. If you want to delete the project, you can delete it and view the project here. Just click this, and it will show you the project details. This is the project manager for your entire channel. If you want to make a plan for your channel, you can add the details here. This is the basic overview of the channel idea. If you want to add a channel idea, add it here. And you can track progress, completed, and task priority. You can save everything, and it will appear here. If you want to drag and drop, you can do it here. This is a common board view. If you want to drag the entire section, you can change it here. If you want to edit a particular task, click it, and you can change it and update the background color. The settings will be updated. If you want to delete this task, you can delete it. This is the project manager built into Vidtechy for your YouTube channel. Once you create a new task, you'll see labels like New, In Progress, and Complete. If you want to add something new here, click the profile icon and go to YouTube channel settings. Then, Global Settings. Once you click Global Settings, you can see the new label created with a background color and text color. Basically, if you want to add new text label, you can choose the background and text color and click Save. Now, the new label has been added. When you go back to the Task Manager and click Create a New Task, you will see the newly added label. Now click Test and Save. If you click on it, you'll see the label appear. You can add more new labels by going to Settings and customizing them. Everything is customizable. Next, in the Channel Planner section, you can plan your content. You can choose the date, add a description, and choose the color. Once you save the schedule, Vidtechy is all-in-one solution for YouTube marketing. Sign up Vidtechy for free and takes your YouTube marketing to the next level. Your planning details will appear in the Channel Planner section. In the Documents section, you can manage all your scripting details and channel-related documents. You can create a new folder, and inside that folder, you can manage documents or you can directly create new documents. All your documents will be displayed here. When you click on the new document title, save it. Once saved, it will open the document in a new section where you can save the script. When you share the URL with your team members, they can see this document. Come back to the Documents section, then you see Pin Comment. Once you click here, then you can see the document detail here. From this button, you can format the document. You can also pin documents and manage them from folders. If you want to add a document inside a folder, go inside the folder and create a document. Once saved, the document will be inside the folder. Once I click Document, see here now we created the test document inside the folder Vidtechy. That's all about the Task Manager and Channel Manager section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content.